Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the most delicious, out of this world jalapeno poppers corn and shrimp dip. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Your guests will definitely ask for more. Before I begin, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's begin. To begin, I have 1 pound of shrimp here. As you can see, believe it or not, it's 1 pound. It's pretty small, but I went ahead and chopped the shrimp down like into small little pieces, just like this. I'm about to season it. Before we do, we're going to drizzle some olive oil on there, just a little bit. And now we're going to season with these seasoning right here. I will leave that below for you. I have creole seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, paprika in here. I'm going to give that a mix. Once it's nice and mixed together, you're going to set that aside. We are going to move on to the corn. Perfect. All right, I have about 6 corn here. You can use canned corn if you like. I am going to basically cut them down just like this. You can use the canned corn if you like. I just want to use fresh corn for today's recipe. Perfect. I'm going to continue cutting my corn down from the cob. Once I'm done, I'll show you guys what to do next. All right guys, I'm completely done with the corn. I actually cut 5 of them, not 6, because it was looking a lot, as you can see. Now I'm getting ready to cook the shrimp, and then we can cook the corn. So let's get that going. My skillet is on medium-high heat. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. I'm going to add the shrimp in. I'm going to cook them until they're nice and pink. Just a little tiny bit in the middle. So it should be about a minute. Then I'll flip them over. Shouldn't take long at all. Now you can tell the shrimp is well seasoned. Lots of seasoning, and I can smell the seasoning already. So we're going to let that cook. Then we'll flip it over. Now we cannot overcook the shrimp because we will add it to our corn. We don't want to overcook it too much. So at this point, it's looking good already. I feel like I should take it out right now. It's smelling amazing, so let's try to take it out. Perfect. The seasoning smell absolutely delicious. All right, next we're going to use the same skillet. You know, all that seasoning in there is just flavor. So we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in there. Once the butter is nice and melted, I have about 3 cloves of garlic I'm going to add in. Cook that until fragrance. And then we're going to add in the corn. Pour that in. The garlic smells so good. I love the smell of garlic. I don't know why. I like the flavor and I love the smell when it's cooking. It just makes you feel like your food is about to taste so good. Now I'm going to kind of saute the corn a little bit because this is fresh corn, obviously. Now I'm going to add some seasoning, onion powder, chili powder, salt and pepper, a little bit of creole seasoning. I have some pickled jalapeno that I'm going to add in. I'm going to add a little bit of milk. You can use heavy whipping cream or half and half. And then I'm going to add in some cream cheese to make it nice and creamy. Let that melt. You see all of this right there is flavor. It smells amazing already. Now I'm going to add in my cheese. I just added the rest of that milk in there. I'm going to add some cheddar cheese. Also, we have mozzarella cheese. Give that a mix. This is going to be so good. Mix it together. All right, now once the cheese is nice and melted, it's nice and creamy, you can always add some more of that milk if you have to. Once you have that consistency, you are going to add your shrimp. I am going to add my shrimp in. So every bite you take, you should have a little piece of shrimp in there. I'm gonna leave some to garnish. So mix it up. This is smelling too good right now. Too good. And this recipe is the most easiest recipe you could ever make. It's so easy to make. This looks amazing, smells amazing. It's time to eat, okay? Perfect. I'm so excited to try this. It smells amazing. Ooh, my mouth is watering. I cut some fresh jalapeños to put on top. Oh, let me give it a try. I gotta get some shrimp. I gotta get a little bit of everything, you know? So, cheers. Oh my. The corn is so sweet and so delicious. The shrimp is perfectly cooked. So good. If you don't try this out for Super Bowl or any get together, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? This is definitely a must try. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. If you have not done so already, give it a like for me. Subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you guys on the next delicious recipe. Bye guys.